Oh yeah. I'll make a horn out your baby sister, might have babies, but them pockets pouring. My pockets bigger, and my pockets bigger. Yes, of course, you know I'm that chick. There's a lot of rings out with that part. Straight that highlight room, sipping 42. I'll make a horn out your baby sister, might have babies, but them pockets pouring. My pockets bigger, and my pockets bigger. Yes, of course, you know I'm that chick. There's a lot of rings out with that part. Straight that highlight room, sipping 42. Cash till my fingers bleed, bitch, I'm dropping names. Just like that, only on her ass. She gon' break your knees in the bag, catch the way you act. Who she fucking me? I made so many whores, I could start a factory. Racks on the pussy, racks on your head, racks on my mind, racks, red, This one love me so much, she was up until I'm dead. I love money, I love pussy, and I love the way it's spread. I tell that bitch retarded, I tell that bitch cold-hearted. I'm not seen in this world so many times within the pussy of garden. Wish my money be pouring. No matter what, I'm not a doctor, but this thing gon' make it up in the words. Put it away, computer orange. And my diamond so wet, the bitch so foreign, and the money so sexy. This shit like porn, man, this shit like porn. I'll make a horn.
Oh, that's definitely oil, boy. Your shits is gone. Oh, his motor done, bro. His motor done, bro. No. Ooh, that bitch hot.
That is the block.
Oh, that's the block. That's the block.
There's a piston nugget.
No way.
No, it really is a piston. Hold on, because they're going to where the rings do it, right there.
Yeah. That nigga slung around through the block.
Oh, where is it? Yeah.
Hey, bro, pieces of the block on damn.
Yeah, and the piston on the side up there.
Shit. Damn. Done, bro. Yeah, that shit done.
Hey, you went hard though.
We'll go see another one. So you went out like a champ.
Yeah, you went out like a champ, boy. It's an LS though. You can get it for cheap though.
You're not going to jail. You're going to prison.
Yeah, go get another. Damn, what?
My block.
I'm supposed to be looking for the body. Where the body go?
He went to go, he said we see him just in the front.
I said, oh my God, it's 392, dog. I don't know why I do this every time I see you. Hey, turn the fire off. Remember to turn the fire off. Ooh, he got a piece of the block.
It be hot though.
Yeah, it was a motor a second ago. Alright, Rick, so they hit the body.
He said they hit the body. Check you out.
Oh, he already cleaned himself.
Oh yeah. You don't need no ointment, no.
I don't know. My tooth gonna start hurting. I don't know if I should go back today or not.
Tight.
My neck look fucked up.
I mean, it look
like a bitch scratch.
Like a scratch.
Damn! Put your glasses back on.
God damn!
She know already the best, so she gon' talk back to the kid. You know my chin, Apple boost, my butter protruding. She finna know that ass burns like chicken. I don't really fuck with no bitches. Bitch, I'm tryna go outside and fuck me a system. I don't really use no pinches, but nowadays all of these hoes come with their own pictures. I don't know how I come with a baby, come to see both that start off. This bitch better go in my car, my damn car, just jerk off. This is more than some my car, little bitch, this shit I turn off. This is springs, some I watch the chick, this shit gon' turn off. Who's mama tryna fucking cry? Bitch, I do your fucking worst to make you fucking die. I'm tryna see your pussy ass commit suicide. I'm tryna see your mama on the floor asking why. call the shit.
So drunk she don't speak no more English. White bitch, steady shaking ass like a black bitch. Black bitch, keep her red dot like a brown bitch. Brown bitch, got so high she looking like a chink bitch. Chink bitch, got so drunk she don't speak no more English.
damn coon monkeys over there doing? The little jigger.
We are not one of them young niggas. We are very professional young black men.
Look like y'all over there doing.
I told you.
Just hop, bro. Hop.
It's just like
Hop and go left, right.
hop and literally. Hop.
One.
What did the rain?
Oh. Okay, I got that bit.
This is the last one, bro. Last one just.
Yeah.
Like chopper. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Oh, Jay.
Hey, CJ, man, that's funny, so he won't get.
No, I need to laugh. He needs to be the last bro, so he can get y'all.
Y'all ready?
I don't know what's going on over here.
Put a rollie on my wrist and let it go. You not the party, get the fuck up out the door. You wanna love me with a shorty, let me know. I got a shorty, make a nigga hit the wall. Lay at the body, you don't wanna let her go. It's in my body, I won't never let it go. You wanna love me with a shorty, let me know. I got a shorty, make a nigga hit the wall. Slick, oh my god, I got problems, I'm fucking mean, I'm being honest, I'm toxic, I'm fucking demon, I need to stop it, a problem, not you can put my time in, whoa, I just put a 50 on my wrist, goddamn, I just shot that shot and hit the switch, goddamn, every time I bite it, so you drink, goddamn, so tell me like I'm about to grin a wish, no, I just put a rollie on my wrist and let it go, party, get the fuck up out the door. You wanna love me with a shorty, let me know. I got a shorty, made a nigga hit the wall. Stay at the body, you don't wanna let it go. Demons in my body, I won't never let it go. You wanna love me with a shorty, let me know. I got a shorty, made a nigga hit the wall.
That shit ain't cool, bro. Damn. He purposely went the same way she was going. Oh my God. He was all day long. He could
Hold on, y'all chill. Get us some space.
You going back 3 feet, nigga. You going back 3 feet.
Yeah.